Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on view, turn on or enable view button in taskbar. This is very easy and simple method. One or two step we can know. What is taskbar view button? Guys, this is mean here you see so many applications. Here one button is there. Click on it. View showing screen how much apps is open, how much websites that thing open. Guys, this turn on or enable. Right click any empty area in taskbar. Then here you see show taskbar view button. Click on it and here you see option task view. Click on it and here you see how much thing is open. There see this way guys we can turn on or enable task bar view button. This guy is very easy and simple method. One or two step we can know how to turn on taskbar view button. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not.